Hi. I want to show you a neat trick to do with a zippo. So, yeah, it's pretty cool. You can actually make the flame like hover when like the zippo's almost totally closed. So, I'll show you. You just need a zippo. Make sure that's fluid. See? Okay. So all you need to do is light the zippo and like tilt it a little bit like that. Start closing it and see the flames hovering. Sometimes it goes really high if you're patient enough. Damn. It's hot now. So yeah, that's how you do it. Neat trick with a zippo. Tried it at home, but make sure to be careful because the top does get hot really easily. So that was the zippo trick. Peace out.